Hello, welcome to my channel. If you are wondering and still in the need to earn money through freelancing, then you are at a right video. Welcome to the video. I will tell you that how you can serve your skills at better place and you can actually earn up to $5, $10 or $500 at your daily basis just because by serving your skills and just because by serving your expertise. I am here just to give you a complete guide or a path that you can start from here or give a 100% to your skills and become a pro. If you're in Canada, US or UK, then you are lucky to grab more jobs and hiring by the clients. So without further ado, let's get into the video. And yeah, just stop. If you haven't subscribed my channel, then do me a favor to spare just 2 seconds for me and subscribe my channel and like the video as well. It will be a great favor for me to bring more videos related to earning. So yeah, let's get into the video. This is the website. I will put the link in the description box. This is actually upwork.com. This is the world's work marketplace, and I will suggest it is a 5-star rating to this website. This is not only sponsored yet, so just don't worry about it. This is the upwork.com in which you can serve your skills, in which you are expert at. So don't worry about that I am not skillful, that I am not so expert that I can be the part of this community. No, don't worry about that. You are actually a talented person. So just trust on yourself that you can do and you can do more better. Then it will definitely bring to your at this place. So this is the UI design of this Upwork.com, in which you can find the talent, in which you can find the work, and why Upwork. It will give the different scenarios and stories and reviews from the top rated sellers as well, top rated workers as well, that why you actually choose Upwork. So in Upwork you can actually earn a different from different jobs, and you can actually earn up to a really high paid jobs. So let us help you find the right talent and browse and buy projects, post a job and hire a pro, in which if you are a buyer or if you want to get a job done, then you can post a job and hire a pro. Hire a pro means that you can actually get then you can actually hire someone that is professional at your skill or professional at your job, so you can actually hire that person. And browse and buy projects, it means that if any of the person is giving project a full skill about that project, then you can actually buy his product, his or her project. And let us help you find the right talent. It means that the client or the worker, you can actually find the right talent or right person to assign that project or assign that task. So here, hire a pro for any of the skill. If you are really expert in development in IT, design and creative, development in IT is actually related to the computer sciences and development part, just like that, mobile applications, software applications, and website development, and any of the development part. While in the design and creative, it is actually like graphic designing, illustrations, and Photoshop editing, and all of these stuff that are it will come in the design and creative part. So next we will move in the sales and marketing. Sales and marketing is actually just like that, digital marketing, in which you can do a lead generation, in which you can do email marketing, social media marketing. If you are expert in social media marketing, then you can choose that part, sales and marketing, and this is the main. While let me show you that how you can find the job. So let's go into this one, find work for your skills. Just move it here, and yeah, just scroll it down. Here you can see that explore remote jobs, and these are the remote job that you can search at. This is actually simple 1D through 3D, 2D game art, and these all the different jobs here are mentioned. While the other are the it's actually a selected any type of work. You can actually choose any of these, that is development and IT, design and creative, finance and accounting, admin and customer support. And admin and customer support, it is actually you know about Amazon. So Amazon as a virtual assistant, you can actually be and Excel freelancer jobs and all of these stuffs. While in development and IT, as I have told you before, it is seriously such a long list of jobs. So what you can do, if you are really good at designing part, or if you are really good at IT part, so if you really interested to do that, you can easily make a business process modeling, software architectures, and different process models. So in this one, this is all about the computer sciences and IT related. So if you want, if you have an IT background, then you can get into it and search for the jobs. Actually, let me search about UI designer jobs. So I will show you how you can actually search for the jobs and apply in it. For applying in the jobs and sending the proposal, I will let you know in the next video, or I will let you know in the upcoming video. In this video, I will let you know how you can find the job or how you can earn from freelancing. So if you are interested, or if you are a designer in UI part, UI, I hope so that you know, or I hope so that somebody from you know about UI designer and UI designs, then he or she can actually apply into this job. So this is actually, let me open, not this one, yeah, this one. A professional UI UX designer. This is it's open. So don't worry about that. It will you will definitely get a perfect job, or you will definitely get a perfect task that you can able to do that easily. Let me show you a job here. Yeah, UX UI designer job, in which you can see that only freelancer located in the UK may apply. It means that if somebody is in Pakistan, or somebody is in the different country, then he or she cannot apply in it, because the client has already mentioned that only freelancer located in the UK may apply. So it is the best opportunity for that persons, that if he or she is located in UK, then congratulations. For we have a requirement is to design a user interface. This is a work. This is all the detail the client has mentioned. This is all the detail the client has provided a timeline. This is a project type, that it's a one-time project or it's a long-term project. It's all about that. So let's back to it. Yeah, it's UX designer job. Let's get back to simple freelance jobs. Here you can actually search on whatever in which you are interested. If you are interested in writing, just type writing here. Yeah, wait, script writing, freelance writing, websites, copyright, freelance jobs, sales writing, specialist jobs. So I will go with this. Actually, I'm not expert in writing, so I have just shown you that how you can search for your jobs, and even you can apply that. You can actually see that it's $100 job. You need to write 1000 words for a product page, in which you have to write 1000 words, and you will get $100 for it. This is maybe a simple task for the writer. I don't know about it, because I am not expert in it. Access denied. Okay, this job is private, no problem. Yeah, in which you can see that in this job, polished copywriter, gambling, casino, and review. It's just to give a review, or it's just to give the way looking for person who can write text in Polish language, in which a best language. Okay, so yeah, it will give you $5 for it, and copywriter for it. And yeah, this is up for the video, that you can actually find the job, and you can actually bid on it. You can actually send proposal in that, and the client will respond back to you. And if you have great skills, and if you have write a great proposal, a great bid on it, then the client will actually hire you on that job, and you will get paid for that. So this is up for the video. If you like the video and you will get a lot of information, then do like and subscribe my channel as well. If you have any query about it, do let us know in comments as well. I will definitely try to reach at you as soon as possible. So for that, thank you, goodbye.